Family, we're gonna be doing a high taper, a high blowout taper with no C cup, no arch. So what I'm doing here is I'm grabbing my 3.5, and I'm just gonna start setting up my foundation. Right, we gotta set up the foundation, so we know where we're gonna lay the fade. Right, so it's gonna be a high taper, so we gotta bring this foundation pretty high to give us enough space to blend. Right, family. Now we're gonna set our half guideline. This is our half open. Since you don't want no C cup, we are gonna go a little bit higher, right? So we could take out that arch right there. And then we're just simply gonna close the lever, clean up all the hair underneath, start flicking out that C cup right there, right? That he doesn't want. Take that out right there. Make sure you target that. Put the lever halfway, right? And then close it. And this is just flaking out, right? So you take that out. Open it and close it. Open it and close it. Opening it and closing it, right? Super simple. Now we're doing the one open. One open. And then we're going to jump into our half guard. I'm going to go midway, the clipper midway, and only using the corner, right? Midway and only using the corner and flicking out. If you guys use the whole blade or half of the blade, I promise you guys will create more guidelines. And it's going to be a BITC, you know what, to take that out, right? So you want to make sure you don't really use the whole blade. Make sure you just take your time, enjoy the process. Count how many strokes I'm doing, Be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And try to match the amount of times that I pass it, And if you guys could do that in every video you guys watch, I promise you guys will be better. Now we're just going to close it. And we're just going to hit the bottom of that line, right? And then we're going to get ready to use our 1.5 guard. The bigger one, not the one open, the 1.5 guard. Make sure you guys know your guys' guards and practice the guards, the measurements. That's also key. This is the 1.5 guard. We're just going to continue opening, right? It's going to first always be open. You see now everything is connecting, just blending right in, right? It's looking great. It's looking good. And then we're going to use the one open now, just to attack any dark spots that we see right here. I told you guys the one open. And it's just really to detail the fade here, right? Just using the corner. Anywhere where you see too many dark spots, you're going to go and attack, right? Now when we put that line up in there, it's going to look a lot better. And then choose your favorite trimmer to line up around the neck. I like to put my line in before I start fading the back taper, just so I could dictate how dark I want to leave this line, right? Because if I just start fading, I'm going to make this hair super short, and it's not going to give me time to decide how dark I want to keep it, I might just cut too much, and then the line is not going to be as dark as desired. Same thing right here. Just put your finger here, put the trimmer here, and just twist it, right? Use your finger as like a stabilizer. If you could imagine it as a tripod and just, try to program that into your head, you'll slowly start using your fingers as a tripod, And also pull the ear back when you're going to line them up right here, so you can stretch that skin and really put that sharp line in there, like so. Notice how that line is coming in really, really, really sharp. It's looking really nice. Same thing right here, right? Twist it. Same thing right here, You just detail your work, You're always going to be detailing your work. This is raw. This is natural. No cuts, This is you actually learning. If you're watching this through the whole video, this is you actually learning, When there's cuts, you don't really see what the barber is doing, So it's harder for people to learn. So make sure you guys share this with a friend, share this with somebody. I have a barber Telegram. If you guys want to join the barber Telegram, the barber Instagram group chats, where we all help each other grow, make sure you guys follow. And we're also doing the giveaway. So make sure if you guys want to enter the giveaway, I have a post that says giveaway on my main page, on my account. It's pinned. It's the first video that's pinned. Make sure you go and enter there. But that's basically, how I line them up. Right here, we could detail a little bit more, right? I appreciate the people that did stay. Thank you for showing me that you're committed, that you're focused. Excuse my comb. I accidentally broke it earlier. But it's all good, right? It's all together good. Right here, just want to keep detailing, clip over comb. Once we put the lineups, it's going to look a lot better. It's going to look crispy. It's going to make it pop. It's going to give it what it's missing. That's the power of a lineup, right? And that's pretty much how I do a blowout taper. That's pretty much how I do a blowout taper. And then we're just going to line them up. Crispy.